In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Flipper Zero as a remote control. So this is my monitor's remote control. I can turn it on or off using this. And let me turn it on back. So I'm going to put this away for now. I don't need it because I'm going to use the Flipper Zero as a remote control. So turn on your Flipper Zero, go to options, and then choose the infrared option. And then once you're there, choose the universal remote. And here you have access to TV remotes, audio players, projectors, air conditioners. So for now, I'm going to use the TV option or the TV remote because my monitor can also act as a TV. And then I'm going to choose that. It's going to load for a second. And then you can see it has the option to turn the power on and off. It can have the option to mute the TV, and also you can change the volume and also the channel. So let's mute the monitor first. I'm going to send a signal. As you can see, it muted it. It's still sending the signal, but I don't need it. I'm going to stop it. Now let's just unmute the monitor. As you can see, it's muted. And now I'm going to unmute it back to the mute option and just send the signal. Now it's unmuted successfully. It's still sending the signal, but I don't need to because it's already unmuted. Now I'm going to show you that you can turn on and off the monitor. Now I'm going to send the signal to turn it off. It's going to turn the monitor off. It's still sending the signal, but I don't need to because the monitor is already off. So now let's turn the monitor back on. So it turned the monitor back on and it works perfectly. Now let's see if it can change the volume of the monitor. Just check this side of the monitor. I'm gonna change the volume up. Here, 15. And also, let's do 16. Now it's still sending, but I don't need to. I'm gonna stop it. Let's turn the volume down. Okay, you can see it works perfectly. And if you have a TV in the house, you can also change the channels using Flipper Zero. That's how you can use a Flipper Zero to control a TV or a monitor in your house or wherever you are. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.